with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, you'll be hooked. La-di-da-di-dum-bum. You really sing that song a lot. Yeah, I know. I don't know why. It just got stuck in my head. It's kind of like, why do birds suddenly appear every time you are here? Ah. Okay, I'm doing it too much. Hey, Paul. What is it, Nana BOOZHOO? You want to do the, you want to announce the show today? Yeah, I'll do that. You mean like right now? Yeah, take it away. Okay. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Paul Stanley of KISS, and we have a very special song for you today. The song is called Nothing to Do with You. Take it away, Nana BOOZHOO. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we aren't quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret. But one day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say, these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid. Talented Natasha. Say hello to the people, Natasha. BOOZHOO, Gakina. How are you? What, is that it? Yeah. Oh, okay. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day is going to be, because we talked about this and, we planned a whole podcast to teach the Anishinaabe word. Okay, we didn't. What do you think the word should be, sweetie? How about Makade, mashkikii, waaboo? We've done that a couple of times. Yeah, but no one remembers. All right. Hey, so our Ojibwe word of the day is Makade mashkikii waaboo. Makade mashkikii waaboo. Coffee, or as we say, black medicine water. Makade, black. Mashkikii, medicine. Waaboo, water. Or, black medicine water is coffee. Or Makade mashkikii waaboo. All right, so good enough. Now you know how to say coffee in Ojibwe. So, I don't know. Do we have a song planned or anything? No, I don't. Okay. Well, good enough. Hey, have a beautiful day. And I will see you again. Higawapamin. Menawa. Oh, now so it goes, or so they say. Times like a mountainscape. I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes, someday, sometimes I today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret. But one day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say, these were the golden days. One day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid. Oh, wow. That was great. All right. Well, hey, you've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Paul Stanley of KISS, and I will see you again. Giga waba min, minowa. Ho-wa. How was that? Oh, that was just good.